Imagine waking up every single morning with an invisible weight pressing down on your chest, as if your body is preparing for a battle that never actually happens. You drink your coffee, you check your phone, but deep inside, a tiny alarm in your brain refuses to turn off. For millions of people today, this isn't just stress. It's a silent biological system stuck in overdrive, exhausting your energy and quietly disrupting your hormones. By the end of this video, you are going to look at your daily fatigue and anxiety in a completely different way, because we are going to explore a natural biological mechanism hidden beneath the soil. We will uncover how certain deep-rooted underground tubers have evolved to survive intense environments, and how their specific compounds can help recalibrate your body's internal thermostat, bringing your stress hormones back into balance. To understand why your body feels so depleted, we first need to look at what happens inside your head when a single stressful thought enters your mind. The moment you feel overwhelmed by a deadline or a worrying message, an ancient region in your brain called the amygdala sends an immediate distress signal straight to your adrenal glands. It treats a work email with the exact same panic as a predator in the wild. Within a fraction of a second, your adrenal glands pump cortisol and adrenaline into your bloodstream, accelerating your heart rate and sharpening your focus. In short bursts, this biological response is actually a life-saving mechanism designed by evolution. But when that emergency signal fires non-stop for weeks or months, your internal biology begins to break down under the constant pressure. When high levels of cortisol circulate through your body continuously, it acts like a loud background noise that drowns out all other hormonal signals. Your thyroid slows down your metabolism to conserve energy. Your reproductive hormones drop because your body senses it is in a survival state. And your sleep cycles become chaotic. You end up feeling wired, exhausted, and completely out of balance. Most modern solutions try to solve this problem by either forcing the body to wake up with stimulants or forcing it to shut down with sedatives. But neither of these approaches fixes the underlying issue, because they don't teach your nervous system how to handle stress on its own. They simply place a temporary bandage over an alarm system that is desperately trying to tell you something is wrong. This is where nature presents a fascinating alternative that scientists have been researching for decades. Deep beneath the surface of the Earth, in some of the most unforgiving environments on the planet, certain plants have developed underground roots and tubers designed specifically to survive intense cold, scorching heat, and extreme droughts. Their very existence depends on their ability to adapt. These unique plants are known as adaptogens, a rare class of botanicals that do not force your body in one direction. Instead of acting like a gas pedal or a brake, adaptogenic tubers interact directly with your hypothalamic pituitary adrenal axis, helping your system regulate its own response to stress. They effectively raise your threshold for stress resilience. Consider one of the most remarkable underground tubers in botanical history, ashwagandha, known scientifically as Withania somnifera. Growing in dry soils, this plant concentrates powerful bioactive compounds called withanolides inside its dense root structure. These specific compounds act almost like a buffer inside the human nervous system, helping to smooth out extreme spikes in stress hormones. Clinical research on root extracts has demonstrated remarkable effects on human physiology. Studies show that consistent use of these specific root compounds can lower serum cortisol levels by up to nearly 30% in chronically stressed adults. When cortisol drops back into its normal, healthy range, the body finally receives the signal that it is safe to rest, rebuild tissue, and balance sex hormones. Another legendary underground tuber comes from the extreme high-altitude plateaus of the Andes Mountains, where almost nothing else can survive: maca root. Growing over 11,000 feet above sea level, this resilient tuber absorbs dense mineral content from the high-altitude soil. Unlike caffeine, maca doesn't stimulate your adrenal glands. Instead, it nourishes the endocrine system directly to support natural stamina. How can a simple plant growing underground have such a targeted impact on human chemistry? The answer lies in phytochemistry and survival biology. To protect themselves from severe environmental weather, these tubers synthesize complex plant chemicals that protect their cellular structures. When humans consume these compounds, they interact with our cellular receptors in ways that reduce oxidative stress and restore equilibrium. Think of your nervous system as a highly sensitive thermostat in a house during a cold winter. If the thermostat is broken, the heater turns on full blast until the house overheats or it shuts off completely, leaving you freezing. Adaptogenic tuber compounds act like a smart repair technician, recalibrating the internal sensors so your body produces heat only when necessary and stays balanced. When you begin to reduce chronic cortisol oversupply, the first dramatic change you notice occurs in your sleep quality. Cortisol and melatonin exist in an inverse relationship. When cortisol is high at night, melatonin cannot rise, making deep, restorative sleep biologically impossible. By modulating evening stress signals, adaptogenic root extracts allow natural melatonin to surge, unlocking deep, slow-wave sleep. Deep, slow-wave sleep is not just about feeling rested the next morning. It is the exact window when your pituitary gland releases natural growth hormone and cleanses cellular waste from your brain. Without this nightly reset, your brain operates with lingering inflammation, leading to brain fog, poor memory, and emotional irritability that makes daily stress feel 10 times worse than it actually is. The second major shift happens within your metabolic health. When your brain constantly senses danger, it instructs your liver to release stored glucose into your blood to provide quick energy for running away. But because you're likely sitting at a desk rather than sprinting from a predator, that unused sugar causes insulin spikes, leading to stubborn abdominal fat accumulation and intense sugar cravings. By bringing your stress response back into alignment, adaptogenic tubers help stabilize blood sugar fluctuations throughout the day. This reduces sudden energy crashes after meals and stops the constant signal that forces your body to store visceral fat around your midsection. Your body finally shifts from a desperate state of energy hoarding back into an efficient metabolic burning state. It is essential to understand that introducing these underground root extracts into your life is not about taking a magic pill and expecting overnight transformation. Real biological adaptation requires consistency over time. Herbalists and researchers emphasize that adaptogens work gently and cumulatively, building up resilience in your cellular pathways over several weeks of regular daily integration. Let us take a look at how to properly select and utilize these tubers for maximum biological efficacy. Not all commercial products available on store shelves are created equal. Many commercial products contain raw, unprocessed root material that is difficult for the human digestive tract to break down, or they lack the standardized concentration of active compounds needed to produce a therapeutic response. For tubers like ashwagandha, scientists recommend looking for standardized root extracts that guarantee a specific percentage of active withanolides. In the case of maca, opting for gelatinized root powder is crucial. Gelatinization is a gentle heat process that removes tough starch molecules without destroying delicate nutrients, making the active plant compounds vastly more bioavailable to your gut. The ideal time of day to consume these adaptogenic roots depends entirely on their specific biological properties. Energizing tubers like maca are best taken in the morning alongside a nutrient-dense breakfast, providing clean stamina for your daytime activities. Calming tubers like ashwagandha yield superior benefits when taken in the late afternoon or evening to gently lower cortisol before sleep. However, relying solely on botanicals while ignoring your basic daily lifestyle habits is like trying to dry off in the rain. To allow these underground tuber compounds to do their job, you must pair them with simple, high-leverage habits that signal safety to your nervous system. The single most powerful natural trigger for resetting your circadian rhythm is morning sunlight exposure. Stepping outside within 30 minutes of waking and allowing natural sunlight to hit your eyes sends an immediate electrical signal to your brain's master clock. This signal sets a timer for melatonin release 16 hours later and ensures your natural cortisol spike occurs early in the morning when you actually need energy, rather than late at night when you are trying to sleep. Another critical factor in lowering chronic stress is protecting your body from erratic blood sugar crashes. Skipping meals or relying heavily on refined sugars causes sharp drops in blood glucose, which forces your adrenal glands to pump out emergency cortisol just to keep your brain supplied with energy. Eating balanced meals rich in healthy fats and protein keeps your chemistry stable. We must also address the impact of chronic mental stimulation in our modern environment. Every time you scroll through social media or absorb sensational news late at night, your brain registers micro-threats that keep your fight or flight system quietly humming in the background. Creating a firm digital boundary 1 hour before bed gives your overstimulated mind the silence it needs to step down from high alert. What makes this underground tuber strategy so compelling is that it works in harmony with human evolutionary biology. For thousands of years, traditional healing systems in the Andes and Asia recognized these roots as foundational tonics for vitality, long before modern biochemistry could explain their specific molecular structures. Today, modern science is simply confirming what ancient wisdom already knew. As your body gradually transitions out of chronic survival mode, you will begin to notice subtle yet profound shifts across your entire biological system. Your physical energy becomes smooth and consistent throughout the day, without the sharp afternoon slumps that used to leave you reaching for sugar or extra coffee. You react to everyday stressors with calm clarity, rather than immediate panic. Your immune system, which is severely suppressed during prolonged periods of elevated cortisol, begins to rebuild its natural defenses. You become far more resilient to common seasonal bugs. Inflammation in your joints and digestive system decreases, and your skin regains a healthy, vibrant glow as systemic microinflammation subsides. For women, balancing cortisol is often the missing key to resolving persistent menstrual irregularities, severe PMS symptoms, and menopausal hot flashes. Because the body uses the exact same biological building blocks to create both cortisol and progesterone, chronic stress effectively steals your progesterone production. Restoring stress balance allows sex hormones to flourish naturally once again. For men, chronic elevated stress is one of the primary hidden drivers behind premature testosterone decline, loss of muscle mass, and chronic fatigue. High cortisol directly opposes testosterone production in the testes. By utilizing adaptogenic root protocols to lower stress hormones, men often experience a natural revival in stamina, strength, and mental drive without synthetic interventions. It is important to note that while adaptogenic tubers are remarkably safe for the vast majority of people, individual bio-individuality must always be respected. If you have underlying autoimmune thyroid conditions, are pregnant, or are taking prescription medications for blood pressure or hormone regulation, you should always consult a qualified functional healthcare practitioner before starting new herbal extracts. Start your journey gradually with a single high-quality adaptogenic tuber extract rather than taking multiple botanicals all at once. Pay close attention to how your body responds over a period of 2 to 3 weeks. Track changes in your morning energy, your sleep depth, and your overall emotional resilience as your nervous system begins its natural recalibration. Remember that the ultimate goal of working with underground tuber botanicals is not to create a lifelong dependence on a supplement.
The goal is to use these powerful natural tools to give your exhausted nervous system the breathing room it desperately needs, allowing you to build sustainable, healthy daily habits that protect your long-term vitality. The modern world is not going to slow down, and the demands on your time and attention will likely continue to grow. You cannot control every external stressor that comes your way, but by understanding and supporting your body's subterranean biology, you can change how your internal system responds to those challenges. Take a moment today to listen to what your body is trying to tell you through its fatigue or anxiety. Recognize that these symptoms are not signs of permanent weakness. They're simply signals calling for a deeper level of biological support, care, and intelligent lifestyle restoration. When you honor your body's biological limits and provide it with the natural adaptogenic support it evolved to utilize, you unlock a state of sustainable energy and resilience that can transform your daily life. Your health is an ongoing relationship with your environment, and nature has provided the exact tools needed to thrive. If you reached this point in the video, it's because you recognize that true health is about understanding your inner biology rather than settling for quick fixes. You now possess the foundational knowledge to take control of your stress response and restore your hormonal harmony using proven underground botanicals and smart daily protocols. If you found value in this deep dive, subscribe to DMR, because on this channel we continue to pull back the curtain on the hidden science, ancient remedies, and natural protocols that empower you to live with unshakable vitality.